Hey everyone, it's Mrs. Grasso, and happy first day of school. I just wanted to go over some information specifically for Cohort 1, but also for Cohort 2 about the first couple of days of remote learning this week. So let's look at Google Classroom. Now, you've all been invited to your Google Classroom page along with your guardians. This is A Block's Google Classroom. I also teach World History D and E blocks. So yours may not look red like this, it may be green or blue. However, the information is generally going to be the same. So if you are remote today, what you're going to do is go to classwork and you're going to see an assignment. Here it hasn't been posted yet because this is what mine looks like. However, this will be illuminated so you can see it. So you're going to hit the attendance form first and fill that out. Now, every day that you're not in school, I'm still responsible for taking attendance for you for being in my classroom. So if you are remote, please make sure you're always doing the attendance form that is posted. Now, the second assignment is this Get to Know You form. So you're going to click on that and fill that out. It's just a way for me to kind of get to know what you like, what you don't like, and please make sure that you are asking me a question at the bottom of this so I can answer it when you're in class with me the very next time. So cohort 1, you are doing this on Wednesday, September 16th. Now, if you're in cohort 2 and you're present with me on Wednesday, you're going to be participating in these same two forms on Thursday, September 17th. So don't feel like you need to go home and rush to fill them out if you're in cohort 2, that you're missing something. This is going to be your job on Thursday. So when I see you guys both in class, I'll have an opportunity to explain the Friday assignment, and I will be posting another brief video about that Friday assignment in case you need additional support. But just remember, cohort 1, attendance and get to know you form on Wednesday. Cohort 2, attendance and get to know you form on Thursday. All right, I look forward to seeing you all in here. I hope you have a great day.